Hi, you guys. This is going to be a quick Amazon Prime Whole Foods online shopping experience haul. If you are interested in watching this video, please stay tuned to see all the different things that I picked up or I ordered online along the way. So if you enjoy these type of videos, leave a comment down in the comment area to let me know that you are enjoying these videos. Also, you could give me a quick comment on what also other stores you would like to see that I would shop at. Hope you guys enjoy. See you soon. Bye. Hey guys, coming on quick. This is a quick Amazon Prime delivery that I got from Prime. I did a little bit of grocery shopping from Whole Foods. So I'm just gonna let you guys see how you can actually order your groceries from Whole Foods, or if in your neighborhood it offers freshly. I got this classic white bread. It's sandwich bread that looks like this. I'm excited to eat that because I eat peanut butter jelly sandwiches still. They just got me some regular bananas, which I'm glad they got them kind of green. I usually get organic bananas. Walter doesn't. So these are the bananas that he got. They are not organic. I got 2 avocados, which I like eating avocado toast, or I like putting avocado on my sandwiches if it's being chicken or smoked turkey. I got 3 lemons. I'm not sure if these are organic lemons, but I think I wanted organic lemons. But these are the lemons. And I got these lemons so I can do infused water to put on my sink. So we can have infused water. I don't know what this little, I don't know what, if I scan that, I don't know what that means. I got some raspberries to go into my vanilla Greek yogurt, which I didn't have any fresh vegetable or fresh fruit to go into my yogurt this morning, so I couldn't have fresh yogurt. Also, I got some strawberries, which that's cool. They put them all in bags. That's pretty good. Got some strawberries. I need to start doing that from here on out. I got some blueberries, which to go into my yogurt with my granola that I'm just now starting to appreciate because I usually don't eat granola. I think it's nasty. I got a cucumber as well, so I can also put this in my infused water. This is the, we're gonna have beef, what are we gonna have? Philly sliders tonight. I didn't mean beef. We're gonna have Philly sliders tonight, so I just got a little bit of taco meat. I think I spent $45.50 something. Or 55, something like that. I'm not really sure. Something like that. I love Simply Lemonade, so I got some Simply Lemonade. I got some mild white cheddar to go on sandwiches. And in this last bag, got a Simply apple juice, and I got some Simply orange juice because I wanted some juice this morning, and I really wanted some cranberry juice, but they didn't have the Simply cranberry juice, and they didn't have the normal ocean spray. I think that's what we usually get, the cranberry juice. So yeah, these are my groceries that I got from Whole Foods. So hope you guys enjoyed the haul. See you guys on the next video. Bye.